Cutting on the fly really speeds up editing drone footage. Now sometimes the action in the timeline moves so quickly that it's hard to anticipate the next scene to be able to cut before the optimum frame has passed. In fact, any cut you make on the fly will eventually be a few frames later than the optimum. Your eye just won't be able to keep up, it's just not quick enough. In this video, I'll show you how to easily solve this issue and give you the keyboard shortcuts without having to touch the mouse or the trackpad. Drone footage tends to be quite slow and smooth, so cutting on the fly at normal speed can be a practical solution. I find that drone footage is usually a long clip, where you only want very short parts of the raw footage in the final edit. This is a workflow that will allow you to edit the clip in the browser while viewing the clip at ease in the timeline. Let me show you. But first, a warning to be aware of. This method modifies the actual footage in the browser. If you want to be safe, best to duplicate the browser clip. Of course, you could always re-import the clip again if you need. So to duplicate, select the Edit menu and duplicate. That's Command plus D. Now to edit the duplicate in the timeline, select the duplicate in the browser, select the Clip menu and select Open Clip. This will open the clip in its own timeline view, so it's much easier to view and edit than it would be in the browser itself. When you open a file from the browser, the audio is by default separated. So let's make a compound clip to join the video and the audio so that both can be cut together. You can cut at normal speed, press the play, and with the keyboard shortcut Command plus B, cut at the points you want. If you find that normal speed is too fast to cut accurately, use the shortcut K plus L to play at half speed. But be careful because the order that you press the keys is important. Press K and L and then hold the Command key and press B when you want to cut. If you want to advance quickly, release all keys, press the L key several times until you get to the next section that you want to edit. Press the K and L keys again to start playing at half speed, and then again press the Command and the B key when you want to cut. And you can also half speed backwards to fine-tune the position again. Now you can go back over all the cuts, and most likely you'll be able to delete the unwanted portions by selecting every second cut section and deleting. And if you find you want to reset and join all the clips up again, you can lasso all the clips, and in the Trim menu select Join Clips.